welcome to our channel Auto Surgery. Today we have a 2019 CLA 250. Yes, customer is complaining he has a coolant is leaking. Let's check it out, this baby. Wow, this is the baby, guys. Customer is complaining coolant is leaking. This is a CLA Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. Yes, CLA 250 4matic. Customer is complaining as soon as he's finished driving his vehicle, always some coolant, as you guys can see on the floor. The coolant is leaking. Then to do this, I was checking under, I didn't see nothing. So now what I do, I already chop it up, that's sexy right here. And the first thing, I remove the tap out here. Then I removing the throttle, full screw from the throttle, which is like this guy here. To remove that throttle, you need the tucks for this one. This is a T25, and to remove this bolt behind the intake, you will need a 11. Okay, this is the 11. This is the 11 tuck right here. That's the baby. And then to remove it, everything, you make sure you disconnected the wires. You disconnected those hoses. Those hoses, they are very, very, very fragile. Be careful with those one. When you remove it, do not break it. Let me show you guys in the back. In the back here, this is it right there. With this, we're gonna remove the intake completely, and then to find where the leak coming from on the back. So let's start out, remove stuff. Let me remove that sexy right here. This is it. She is. When you just remove it, just be extra careful, guys, because those wire, I see the wire, those hoses, they are very fragile, and those wire as well. Just be careful, be extra careful. This. Pump for me, happy.
One way, diba? Insurance bigyan na kunin.
Yan eh.
No? Alis na insurance na sa isang koko.
Ahon makinaw ba ka boni hindi mo sila niyan basta insurance company ang papagawa nila. Bakit po siya mas kapal?
Wait. Guys, this is it right here. Finally, that baby's coming out now. After a long fight with this, guys, look at it. That's not it. This. This is where they put it in. This is it. See? This was pissing, pulling it. That's crazy. You see the hose inside. This is where it's what's coming out. Was pissing. So now we're just gonna replace it. Ooh, this guy right here. I'm gonna replace it and put him back. Let's go. Guys, this is the baby right here. Everything is already in. Just plugging up the wires. Then as soon as they plug up, then we're gonna add in some coolant on that baby and to make it start. Yes, just clip. Should clip up every single wires we disconnected. Gonna connect it all those vacuum as well too. Yes. This guy here. Just gonna go easy with him. Easy. That vacuum going to here. Up. Mixing up the vacuum going down here. This is the one right there. Make sure we connected this one. Because if you guys don't connect the vacuum, we're gonna get in trouble. You don't want that happening. Make sure you double check everything that you disconnected. Then you start your vehicle. This right into here. And that guys going here. And turn this way. Come on, baby. Let's clip it up. Clip. That's it, baby. Come on. Good. And that vacuum. Make sure get some out. Make sure. Yes, that's a clip. You see what I see here, guys? You guys see what I see here? Well. I gotta talk to the owner about this one. We need to connect it this way here. Is just come here, you stay here, jumping. This is your place, that's his place. You gotta be easy. This guy. Look, that way. And this guy here. This in the top. Okay, this is good. Oh, it is good. Things connected. I'm just gonna tie this guy up here. Yes. One on the top and one on the bottom. That's a 10. Guys, the baby is running. There she is. That's everything. Then we're just gonna do a word test on it. Make sure everything is looking good. And after that, we should be ready to go home. Make sure double check everything. That's sexy, it's running very nice. Nice. Let's go for the wood test, Papa. Woof. Very nice. Inside is really warm. Right now. We're doing good, guys. Everything's looking good. She's ready to go home. Thank you guys for watching that video. Please subscribe and share with your friends and family. Someone might be has the same problem, then you can help that person. Please share and comment. If you like that video, please thumbs up. If you doesn't like it, you may say no. If you doesn't like it, you give me the reason why. Then next time I'll be provide a better video than that. Remember, Jesus is coming soon. Get ready, guys. Get ready. He's coming. He's right in the corner.